destroyer of worlds. I suppose we all thought that, one way or another.